So I've got here a pack of dual tip brush pens. I have 24 colors right here. So as you can see, yeah, 24 different colors. They are like watercolor, odorless, non-toxic. The brush tip is like 1 to 2 millimeters and the fine tip is about 0.4 millimeters. So this is good for renderings, art design, animation design, like for quite a lot of things. Yeah, so let's take them out and draw something. So here I have a piece of paper, and then so this is a good package to keep them in and keep them organized. So as you can see here, you can take them out just like that. And then you have any color right here. So these are all the colors that you get, from red, pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, brown, everything you need, black as well, some kind of pinkish. I'll just try this one, I think. Let's see how this one looks. As you can see, this is the brush tip, and then on the other side we have this very tiny small tip right here, the fine line tip. Let's first try the brush tip. Brush, and now we can try. I'm not sure how clearly you can see this. I'll actually try a better color, because this you can't see it really well. Let's try this blue. Let's go brush. It does feel quite soft and nice on the paper. It feels like a brush, I would say, exactly like a brush, yeah. And then let's try the other tip. Yeah, it's really cool. You can really do like the small designs with this, and it's really nice for accurate stuff. Fine line. So that's the big brush and that's the fine line. Big brush, fine line. Let's try some other colors as well. I like that this keeps them inside and not going out, which is good. Let's try this purple right here. Purple. Yeah, really nice. And then the fine line. Cool.